Hello everyone and welcome to this class. So for this class, we'll be considering a topic titled loops. Let me share the video. So we'll talk about loops. I'll say that loops is a piece of code that makes an action repeat itself over and over again. Loop is a piece of code that makes an action repeat itself over and over again. So loop in a very simple way has to do with making things happen over times, every time. So loop become useful when you have observed or you want to create a solution to a problem that involves a pattern. Now, an example here is given that remember the boy trying to cross the pathway with obstacles. If you are to create a program that helps him cross the pathway. So what will your code look like? It will just be that the boy will walk, and jump. He will walk, and jump again. He will walk, jump, walk, jump. So that's the pattern he would continue till he crosses the pathway, or maybe till he gets to his destination. So that's all about loop. So loop is very necessary because in the Scratch software, we'll say loop. Those blocks are either the repeat block, the forever block, and mostly under the control section. So I said there is where loops become useful. Instead of writing many lines of code to carry out each step, you can use a loop to make the code repeat itself. Instead of put the music, you put the instead like the last project you did. Forever is just what is necessary. So instead of us to keep putting blocks, you could just bring forever and keep there, put it there, or repeat blocks. Tell it how many times it will repeat, and you fix it there, and it's good to go. So that's how it works. Okay. So I'd like to go to the practical section now and open the Scratch software so that we'll be able to do a project titled Chatbot. In this Chatbot project, you'll be able to see how we combine the same block to ask the chatbot a question. Okay, let's go into that now. Okay, so this is the chatbot project. The way the chatbot project works, it helps you to communicate with it as if you're chatting. You're sending text messages and you'll be able to program your chatbot that way. So you learn so many things, how to use the conditional statement later. So the step one will be that you choose your character's personality and look. Okay, so the next step will be that you should choose your backdrop and you start writing the questions for it. So let's head on to Scratch software. I'll be sharing the Scratch software now. Okay. So if you look at the Scratch software, let's choose a sprite. So go to people. Retain this one. So I'll remove this. So choose a backdrop. Where should I choose? Maybe school. Anderson. Okay. So remember the last topic we did about events. That event is a piece of code that makes other things happen. So how will it start? Say, okay, when my green flag is clicked. So the next thing I want you to ask question. You can achieve that with sensing block. So ask me a question. What's my name? And if you click on it, you see to ask you what's your name. You now respond. Okay, click this. So the project I'll be giving you now is that you be the one to finish it. You finish everything. I'll give you this slide. I'll give you the project slide for chatbot. So you should be able to respond by saying, "What a lovely name." And apart from that, it should be able to give you by answering everything. I'll just give you this project. That will lead us to the next topic on variables. So this is where you stop for this project. Thank you. So I'll give it to share it in the Google Classroom for you to do. Thank you very much.